Hello students, I am Shahajit Humre sir from Solapur presenting English grammar topic tense. Students, in my first 3 videos on tenses, माझ्या पहिल्या 3 व्हिडिओमध्ये मी टेन्सेस मध्ये सिंपल प्रेझेंट, सिंपल पास्ट, सिंपल फ्युचर या टेन्स बद्दल आपणास गायडन्स केलेलं आहे. Today I am going to talk with you about the continuous tenses. In continuous, there are 3 continuous tenses, or we call it progressive. Progressive. Progressive or imperfect. Action is going on. There are 3 continuous or progressive tenses: present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. So today I am going to talk about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. In Marathi, it is called as Apurna Vartaman Kal. Before starting my video, students, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give more and more likes to my videos. Present continuous tense. When this tense is used in our speaking, communication, present continuous tense, Apurna Vartaman Kal. When this tense is used, या टेन्स आपण वापर कधी कधी करतो. First of all, when action is going on in the present state. When action is going on. When action is going on. सद्य स्थितीमध्ये एखादी ऍक्शन जर समजा सुरू असेल, it is used when the action is going on at the time of speaking. जेव्हा क्रिया बोलण्याच्या क्षणी सुरू होते किंवा सुरू असते तेव्हा आपण प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा वापर करतो. त्याचबरोबर एखादी नेरेस्ट फ्युचर ऍक्शन, नेरेस्ट फ्युचर ऍक्शन म्हणजे एखादा नजीकचा भविष्यकाळ सांगण्यासाठी सुद्धा आपण प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा वापर करतो. टू शो द ऍक्शन विच विल हॅपन शुअरली इन नियर फ्युचर. भविष्य काळात निश्चितपणे आखलेल्या योजनांसाठी किंवा नजीकचा भविष्यकाळ एक्सप्रेस करण्यासाठी आपण प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा वापर करतो. So which helping verbs are there in present continuous tense? That is the important thing. In present continuous tense, am or is or are, these helping verbs are used. Am, is, are. These helping verbs are used in present continuous tense. An important thing is that when action is going on, maybe in present, maybe in past, or maybe in future, verb ing form is used. Verb ing form is used. ज्यावेळेस ऍक्शन सुरू असेल, मे बी इन प्रेझेंट, मे बी इन पास्ट, मे बी इन फ्युचर, एखादी ऍक्शन जर सुरू असेल तर आपण वर्बला आयएनजी प्रत्यय जोडायचा आहे. नाव द कन्स्ट्रक्शन, with the help of the information we can frame construction of present continuous tense. Construction. What will be the construction of present continuous tense? First of all, subject, then helping verb am or is or are. After that, important thing, verb ing form, and at the end, object. This is the construction of present continuous tense. Important thing we have to keep in your mind. आपण लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, am or is or are and verb ing is there. Definitely the tense of this sentence will be present continuous tense. Now, when we use am, is, आणि are, हे कधी यूज करायचं, कोणत्या प्रोनाउनला एम, कोणत्याला इज, कोणत्याला आर, हे आपण लक्षात घेतलं पाहिजे. नाव प्रोनाउन्स आय, वी, फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंग्युलर आय, प्लुरल वी. Second person singular you, plural is also you. Third person singular he, she, it, and plural they. These are the pronouns. These are the pronouns, first person, second person, and third person. Now, am, is, are, how it is to be used, कसं वापरायचं बघा. If subject is I, write helping verb am. We are, you are, you are, he, she, it is, he is, she is, it is, they are. These are the pronouns used as a subject, and before that the main thing is this, कोणत्या प्रोनाउनला कोणतं हेल्पिंग वर्ब पाहिजे हे खूप महत्वाचं आहे. आय एम, वी आर, यू आर, यू आर, ही इज, शी इज, इट इज, दे आर. सपोज ऐसे मदर इज, फादर इज, बॉयज आर, the girls are playing on the ground, are, Lata is singing a song, she is going to market, is. So in this way we have to use am, is, are according to the subject. Now we take some examples about present continuous tense. Examples of present continuous tense. अपूर्ण वर्तमानचे एक्झाम्पल पहा. Examples. Examples of present continuous tense. I am telling a story. I am telling a story. The tense type of this sentence is is, are, or ing. Am, is, are, ing. Main thing, subject is there, object is there. Am or is or are helping verb, and ing is added to the main verb. The tense of this sentence is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Very easy to understand, very easy construction. Just keep in mind am or is or are, and त्याच्या पुढे आपण बघायचं आहे की व्हर्बला आयएनजी जर ऍड केला असेल, सफिक्स लावला असेल, definitely this sentence is in present continuous tense. Suppose I say Lata is singing. Lata is singing a song. Underline part is a ing. Next, number 3. The boys are playing. The boys are playing on the ground. The boys are playing on the ground. See, here are ing. Or if I say one more example, he is writing a story. He's writing a story. Main part to identify the type of tense is ing. So students, am or is or are helping verb, and ing is added to the main verb. So the type of tense of above sentences is present continuous tense. So in short, to identify the present continuous tense, important thing is action is going on, then nearest future action, is are helping verb, and verb ing form. Construction, subject, is are ing, and how is are used, is are आपण कसं वापरायचं, am, we are, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. And these are the examples. Am is are ing, is ing, are playing, bagaita, is writing. So all these sentences are in present continuous tense. So to identify present continuous tense, in that sentence there should be am or is or are helping verb, and ing should be added to the main verb. So this is about present continuous tense. So students, today I discussed with you about the present continuous tense. Thank you so much.